I woke up in the middle of the night, heard some rustling around that didn't sit quite right. There was something scrambling in the attic, definitely a critter, 'cause it set my wife in a panic. Tomorrow I'll set up a couple traps to get 'em, hope to get lucky so we can sleep, and baited up those traps with some sunflower seeds. Now it's a waiting game, time to down some whiskey. Turns out this rodent was smarter than me. This furry Albert Einstein beat me on the SATs, dropping nuts in my wall, playing games of Plinko. It's like the price is right with every acorn echo. This critter is causing me hell, need him out of my life. It's getting in our food, scaring my lovely wife. There won't be a home-cooked meal for me until the eviction of this varmint is guaranteed. The next day, set another round of traps. I bought the bigger kind, so this should be a wrap. Baited them, excited for the demise of this thing. Couldn't fall asleep with that critter chewing every damn thing. Well, he's not the only beast at night that grinds his teeth. My jaw was so sore in the morning, I needed pain relief. Drank some whiskey to get some more hair on my chest. Not gonna let this varmint make me lose any more rest. This critter is causing me hell, need him out of my life. It's getting in our food, scaring my lovely wife. There won't be a home-cooked meal for me until the eviction of this varmint is guaranteed. Set up a trail cam and saw where he got in the house. Jumped in my roof from a tree branch. This wasn't no mouse, it was a red squirrel, and a fat one at that. Pumping up for his winter slumber. Boy, is he fat! Now that I know my enemy, I need a bigger trap. So I bought the ones that have a permanent zap. Loaded the trap with double D batteries. Gonna shock that bastard to hell, should be a breeze. Well, the scheme didn't turn out as I had planned. That critter ate the bait, extending his lifespan. If I can't get him tonight, I'm not sure what I'll do. I can't keep this up, need some home-cooked food. This critter is causing me hell, need him out of my life. It's getting in our food, scaring my lovely wife. There won't be a home-cooked meal for me until the eviction of this varmint is guaranteed. I got up in the morning and checked the trap. The Duracell charge gave him the final zap. Hope he's enjoying his time in varmint heaven, 'cause I'm eating good now. No more critter obsession.